Hi everyone, I'm Izzy with the Graham team here to introduce to you our latest 10X home at 1454 Santa Anita Drive in Las Vegas. This two-story condo is in a central location right near UNLV and the Strip. This home has 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. Let's take a look. As we head towards the front door, we are welcomed by a patio area, a perfect place to enjoy a meal. Take one step inside the home and you'll be greeted by new laminate-wood vinyl plank flooring throughout the entire first floor. Let's walk down the hallway to the dining room area and kitchen, where you have another access to the patio area. The beautiful kitchen features all new stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, and customized lighting and backsplash. This is also where the laundry area is. Now let's head up to the second floor where all the bedrooms are located. The stairs, as well as the bedrooms, have all new carpet throughout. The beautifully updated bathrooms have new lighting fixtures, stand-up showers, toilets, and sinks. The area includes a community pool and tennis court for your family to enjoy. There is one covered parking space included under a carport. If you're interested in learning more about our 10X My Home program, just visit 10xmyhome.com or call us at 702-930-9551. Thanks for watching.